loads in the world for girls.
No, I don't. Oh!
It doesn't matter.
No, I don't. Loads.
Clothes and shoes.
Probably a really nice new car that works.
Not money, I think even more friends. Because I like being sociable, I've got lots of friends in the village. And it'd be nice to have even more friends in other places as well.
ODE.
What kind, like colour?
Metallic blue.
A helicopter's pilot's license. Helicopter license. Because I've always wanted to fly, and I kind of think a helicopter would be a bit more personal than a plane, because they're smaller, so you wouldn't have to take people everywhere. And also, you can go further than a plane. You can go higher than a plane, maybe not further, but and it's cheaper. But it's free, isn't it? So yeah, helicopter and a helicopter's license.
If I could get anything in the world for free, what would it be?
It has to be one thing.
The winning lottery numbers for next week.
What will you buy with the lottery numbers?
With the money. Probably a new house. Go on holiday somewhere nice in the sun. Maldives or Australia, somewhere far away, quite expensive. Once in a lifetime holiday.
And it has to exist.
Yes. Actually, no. Well, depends what you make.
I'll take a 2012 time speed